Now, what if you don't have a Thai stick? Well, no Thai stick, it doesn't matter. Well, you can go onto the internet, buy it online. It's like $2, and you could go get yourself one. But I hear what you're saying. You're saying, but I want to start now. Well, I hear you. So what I did, I went to a wood shop and bought. I got him to make one for like $5, and so you can do that, and that works absolutely perfectly fine. No worries at all. Now, so that's an alternative. You can use. You can see that works. Let me show you there. Just works beautifully. So you can get like a handmade one, and brilliant. Now, but I hear what you're saying. I don't have a wood shop nearby. Certainly, I don't know someone that can make one. That's all right too. Because now, what I used to do was I would recommend a pencil. Now, the sort of the blunt end of the pencil is rounded, right? Well, at least they used to be, or I think they used to be, because I went to my son's pencil case because I'm going to show you how to use a pencil. But the lead pencils, well, they've all got erasers on the end, and the coloured pencils, well, they're all cut off, flat. So I thought, well, what am I going to do now? I don't have a pencil, can't show you the pencil method, so I went to the kitchen. And by golly, there's a lot of good stuff in the kitchen. Now, let me show you this. This little beauty is the end of a meat thermometer, right? That's where you put the meat thermometer in when you're not using it. Now, this has got a nice little rounded end. It's absolutely beautiful. Look, you can work these points, which I'm going to show you how to do it later in the course. But this is absolutely fantastic to use. So if you don't have a Thai stick, bring out the meat thermometer. You don't have a meat thermometer. All right. Well, no worries. Look at this. That is a Bic marking, a highlighter pen. Works fantastic. Again, we've got the nice end. And look at that. Way you go. No worries at all. This, again, now it's a pen, so you can hold it like a pen, as you'll see through the course, but also working all these points, and it feels fantastic. I mean, it just feels great. Oh, you don't have a highlighter pen? Well, maybe go to the kitchen drawer. This whisk is a little ripper. Look at this. This rounded end here, I kid you not. Oh, that's so good. This works now. You got the broad end, as you'll learn. The broad end, this nice cylindrical here, works beautiful. It's smooth, works really good. Like the other ones, same thing, because we start off with these broad movements, and then we fine tune. There's not a reflex point that you're going to not get in these. This is just, and it works. And my thumbs are not getting beaten up, doing little thumb walking stuff all, for an hour. No way. We are just cruising. Look at that. So there's some options for you, right down to a whisk.